Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix GoDaddy Domain Management, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the GoDaddy website. Log in to your GoDaddy account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Domains section on your dashboard. Click on Manage Domains to view all your registered domains. Identify the domain you wish to manage and click on it. This will take you to the domain settings page. Here, you can make edits to domain settings, such as DNS records or forwarding options. If you need to update your name servers, find the Name Servers section. Select Change to input new name server details. Enter the new name server information provided by your hosting service. After making adjustments, be sure to click Save to apply the changes. For DNS record management, navigate to the DNS section. You can add, modify, or delete records based on your requirements. To add a new record, click on Add and select the type of record you wish to create. Fill in the necessary fields for the record type you selected. Once completed, click Save to secure your new DNS settings. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the GoDaddy Help Center for additional guidance. For more complex problems, reaching out to GoDaddy support may be beneficial. Ensure all changes reflect accurately within a few hours, as DNS updates can take time to propagate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.